Here we see various types of vessels. These vessels are connected at the bottom by a small tube. We will fill the end vessel with water. What will happen if we open this valve? Watch the water level carefully. The water coming into the smaller vessel from the larger vessel stops when both water levels are the same. If we open another valve, what will happen? The three vessels are of different shapes, but still the water flow stops when all three reach the same level. Now, we'll open the valves to the other vessels. When we add water to one vessel, the water level rises in each vessel. And stops when all vessels are filled with water to the same level. We notice that the shape or size of the vessels makes no difference in this experiment. This time, we'll use a very long tube to connect the two vessels. If we put water into one of the vessels, what will happen? No matter how far apart the vessels are from each other, the water stops at the same level. Here are three vessels connected with a Y-shaped tube. What do you think will happen? It doesn't matter how many vessels there are, the water will remain at the same level. The connecting pipe in this experiment is unusually shaped. However, the water still stops once it reaches the same level in all vessels. Here, we see two vessels with pistons. We fill them with water to the same level. If we apply pressure to one, what happens? But when we release it, they both return to the same level. water level balances when we put the same weight on both pistons. Here we have 3 pistons. The water is resting at the same level. When we apply pressure on the 2 vessels to the right, we see that the pressure on the vessel to the left also changes. How much pressure should we apply to the left vessel piston so the other 2 vessels will rest in balance?
El doble. Sí, muy bien. Como está en
Now,
el-
we will put the same weight on the other piston. Will they balance? No, they won't rest in balance. It did before, didn't it? Well then, let's put another identical weight on the vessels on the right. The pressure applied to the vessel on the left is equal to the pressure applied to each of the 2 vessels on the right.
Aprendiste eso.
Son 3. Es lo mismo que la otra vez.
Lo que pasa es que como tenías
Here are 6 vessels against 1.
ya
How much pressure should we apply to the vessel on the left in order for the 6 on the right
se
to
iba a hacer
rest
el
in
peso.
equilibrium?
Tienes que aplicar sí, ese es el peso.
Sí.
Para que las presiones se igualen en todo el sistema.
No entiendo, estoy panchada.
Pero capaz que venga algo después de eso. ¿Cuánto tiempo lleva? Ah, no, pues ya 10 grandes minutos. Para. Que no sea como el de contact. Vamos a hacer algo, darle por frente. A ver qué pasa. No pasa nada.